Well, as you can tell, I'm in the Torino, sweating like a pig because it's like 93 degrees out. But I put some air in it, put some water in it, checked the fluids, and then I went to start it and it wouldn't start. So then I had to troubleshoot it. I had 12 volts at the battery, but if I read the voltage on the connectors, they were 3 volts. So I cleaned the terminals, and lo and behold, it runs great. So anyway, stick around. I'm gonna have some video of me driving, going about an hour. We'll see how the road trip goes. So here we go. It's a little windy today, but we're doing good. Taking it back, man. I didn't feel like going on the interstate with it because with the gears and everything, you get going 70, it's like screaming along. So just taking it easy. But the temperature gauge in there keeps rising, not on the vehicle, but on the inside here, it's over 100, and I think it's 110, 100, something like that. So it's warming up. So we'll just keep on trucking. I always forget how hot it is in these cars. But of course I don't have the air on. I don't know if you can read that, but it's like 100 degrees in here, which is sort of why I'm sweating my balls off. So here we go. Well, I'm coming to the end of the trip, and look at that, it's 110, 112 inside here. But it ran great the whole time. Just happy. Runs great. Can't help it that it's South Louisiana. So thanks again for watching, and I appreciate it. And everybody, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I appreciate it, and have a great day. And here she is in her new home for a while. She ran great the whole way. It just got hot, and it didn't get hot. It ran 180 to 185 the entire trip. But it's just hot outside, so there you go. There she is. Thank you. So I'm ending it like I started it. I'm sweating my bejesuses off. We still got the John Deere Model A for sale if anybody wants that, and she's here in her new home for a little bit while I work on the Mustang. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share. Please like. Please subscribe. All that good stuff. And I'll really appreciate it. So have a great day.